Hi, we're at SLE Equipment in Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at the Encore walk-behind 32-inch mower. At the bottom we do have a 32-inch deck. This is a floating deck design. You have these spindles. There is a top removable floor panel for access to your spindles. You do have the front 360 wheels. You have your deck. The cutting height adjustments are a pin adjustment system. This mower does have a Honda GXV 390 10.5 horsepower engine. This mower has a forward speed of 3.5 miles per hour. There's a 2-gallon fuel tank. Coming to the rear of our mower, we do have the T-bar style controls with your throttle, drive, you have your controls on the front as well, handles. We do have large rear tires. They're 13x5. There is a rubber discharge chute. You have the pin cutting height adjustment again. Once again, this is a 32-inch Encore walk-behind mower. If you are interested in this mower or any other mower we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.